Hi, I'm Daedran and welcome to E-Prime. 50 years as a music master, and now he celebrates with solid gold. Chart-topping writer and recording artist Ernie Smith celebrates his 50th anniversary in the music industry this year. The legend lets us in on his feelings for this affair.
Hi, this is Ernie Smith, singer and a songwriter. I've been around forever, or so it seems. I celebrate 50 years in the music business, 50 years since my first recording. I really had a good time. I'm really very thankful, and anything that I haven't done to date will happen by the time I go to my father who sent me here.
As part of the celebrations for Smith's accomplishment, a concert entitled Solid Gold is set to be held at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel in Kingston on September 29.
It is really a celebration of the songwriting career of Ernie Smith. Cocktails at 7 o'clock. Showtime 8 o'clock. Come early because tickets are going fast. You can find tickets at Bill Express, Millpack Express Islandwide, Monarch Pharmacies, tickets online, touchstoneticketing.com.
Not only will you be served cocktails at Solid Gold, but you'll also be given a 5-track EP to go with it. Smith will be releasing a single with recording artist Agent Sasko, which will be featured on his upcoming EP. We congratulate Sir Ernie Smith on such a wonderful accomplishment. Popular sound system selector Nico Chromatic continues to battle with renal insufficiency. The selector has been battling renal failure since 2015 and was hospitalized earlier this month due to complications from the illness. In a recent social media post made by his girlfriend Kimberly Mays, it was disclosed that a family member of the selector has opted to donate a kidney to him. The family is currently having dialogue with a nephrologist at the University Hospital of the West Indies. The cost to undergo the kidney transplant is US $50,000, and so far Nico's GoFundMe account has raised a total of US $22,600. Now Nico wishes to thank all those who have made a contribution to his GoFundMe and persons who continue to show him support throughout his illness. Persons wishing to contribute to the cause can make donations to the Scotia account, Nico Chromatic Fund account. The number is 832211. Rockers movie The Irie Box. The 1978 classic reggae movie Rockers has received a deluxe treatment with a massive box set. It will include a newly pressed original vinyl soundtrack of the film on a red, yellow and green colored vinyl. Also included in the collector's item is the film on DVD and Blu-ray, as well as a 384-page photo book, poster, postcards and other monuments that completes the set. The film captures reggae at its musical apex with a vibrant reggae soundtrack, now digital remastered from the original film made in 1978. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.